There's a sunrise over fields and the school lights glow. Bulldogs gather round, everybody knows. Melissa Radeke steady, keeping vision clear. Mike Lee's out front saying welcome back this year. Teachers rolling up their sleeves, hearts wide open too. Building futures in this town, that's what we do. Back home to Lester Prairie, where the small town runs deep. Maroon and gold shining, promises we keep. It's more than just a classroom, it's a family we've made. Standing strong together through every step and grade. Every chalkboard line, every book we read, carved by the hands of those who plant the seed. From math tests to football nights under the lights, this Bulldog family shows up and fights. Leaders with vision, teachers who care. At Lester Prairie, you know love's always there. Back home to Lester Prairie, where the small town runs deep. Maroon and gold shining, promises we keep. It's more than just a classroom, it's a family we've made. Standing strong together through every step and grade. It's the sound of laughter, it's the lessons learned. It's the pride in our hearts with every corner turn. No matter where the road may go or how far we roam, Bulldogs carry Lester Prairie always home. Back home to Lester Prairie, where the small town